Pulmonary arteries in the heart carries deoxygenated blood. True. Lifespan of RBC 130 days. True. Stomach is C-shaped organ. False. Daily secretions of saliva about 1500 ml. True. Pancreas is both exocrine and endocrine organ. True. Expense CCK cholecystokinase. The weight of the human heart 250 to 300 gram. The other name of mitral valve bicuspid valve. The development of RBC erythropoiesis does give energy. Fructose giving energy to the sperm to move quickly. Breast inflammation, mastitis. WBC immunity. SA node present in right atrium. Orchitis, inflammation of testis. Ileum, it is a small intestine. Sperm, it is developed in seminiferous tubule. Erythropoietin is the hormone secreted from kidney to develop erythropoiesis. Progesterone is the hormone secreted from corpus luteum. Leaf-like structure is epiklatus. Myocardium is called the layers of the heart. Next, if you see, draw the digestive system. You have to draw from the mouth to anus. The digestive system, you have to draw the mouth to anus and mark the parts. Stomach, if you draw the structure, you have to draw the structure. You have to mark the parts. The greater omentum, lesser omentum. It is here is the lesser omentum. This is called the greater omentum. Okay, this is the sphincter. What is the sphincter is present? This is the pyloric sphincter, and this is the fundus of the stomach. This is the body of the stomach. Okay, fundus body. You have to write it, and it is a J-shaped organ present in this. If you want to more, you can write what is the area like epiglottis region where it is like a like this. You can draw this picture is the first, and this is the second picture. You can draw this one. Okay. Then explain the functions of stomach. Same thing like secretory function, absorption function, moving. It is like a machine. How it is moving? What are all the secretions? Each secretion has its own function. Organic and inorganic materials are present in the secretions of the stomach. Conductive system of heart. You have to draw the picture, which will be thicker wall. You have to draw the septum. You have to draw here in the right atrium. There is a smaller muscle will be there. This muscle smaller, this muscle just under the superior vena cava. It is generating the auto generating of the electrical impulses. These electrical impulses passing to this called the SA node. This is the AV node. From this bundle of His started. This called the right and left branches of bundle of His, and it is supplying the electrical impulses, so it makes the heart to function it properly. So you draw this picture and make it. Describe the structure of neuron. So structure of neuron you have to draw. That's a bipolar neuron, unipolar neuron, dendrites, that axon, then like that you have to draw. That's a bipolar neuron. Nucleus should be there. Like that, 12 cranial nerves. You write Roman letter, one cranial olfactory. What is sensory or motor nerve you have to specify. Growth of the microorganisms. What are all the environment? Each factor you have to describe well. Chain of infection. You have to draw the chain. Portal entry, portal exit. Okay, new host and transmission, like that. This cycle you have to draw and mark this. So this is called the chain of infection. Then explain the female reproductive system. So the female reproductive organs are divided into external organ and will be the internal organ. So external you have to draw the symphysis pubis, and from this labia majora, labia minora, and opening, and where will be the anus. This is called the perineum, and you have to mark there is a vestibular glands are present. This is called the hymen. This is the orifice of the urethral orifice. Here is the anus. Then you have to draw the uterus. So uterus also you have to draw. Uterus is a pear-shaped organ, right? Pear-shaped organ. This is continuation of called the vagina. Okay, this vagina, and you have to isthmus. You have to write, and ampulla. The finger like this one is called this one. Okay, fallopian tube, fimbriae. It is called as fimbriae. This is the ovary. This is the ligaments, round ligaments will be there. Uterus is covered by the peritoneum, and there is many ligaments are there which is supporting. Okay, ileocecal ligament is there, vaginal ligaments are present, round ligament is there, broad ligaments are there. Then you can draw the cut section, you can write the muscles. If you see, this is called the endometrium, this is called myometrium, and this is called the perimetrium. This is called the outer layer of the uterus. So the arteries you can draw. There is a vaginal artery, vaginal vein, and will be the uterine artery, uterine vein. This also supply to the ovaries. So you have to draw some pictures and you have to practice. Then only you can write it. And then short notes of pituitary. So you have to draw the structure of pituitary. There's a pituitary gland and there's a hypothalamus lymphatic system are there. Posterior pituitary only 2 hormones are secreting, anterior pituitary many hormones are secreting. What is the weight and then what is the arterial supply, internal cardiac artery. Okay, so that is supplying to this branches of the internal cardiac artery is supplying this to this one, and only 2 hormones. And then hypothalamus, if the short notes they are telling, only you have to remember hypothalamus only secreting prohibiting hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone, prolactin releasing hormone, prolactin prohibiting hormone, thyroid releasing hormone, like that only the releasing or then will be anterior pituitary. This is a neuronal cells are present, but in anterior pituitary no neuronal cells. Okay, so this is a neuronal cell, oxytocin and vasopressin, only 2 hormones are secreted in posterior. So please learn it correctly. Functions of salivary gland, you draw the picture of salivary gland like a man with where is the salivary gland, how many are there. So you draw and write it the function. So and villi also you can draw the picture like villi, how you will draw, like what are all the cells, goblet cells are present in this villi. So you can draw this villi's picture correctly, and there will be a nerve supply and there will be a connection. So one will be connected with another villi. You have to write extra hepatic biliary apparatus. So if you see the stomach is this one, this is the area is called the liver. From the liver, this is the gallbladder. So this one, if you see the cut section of the gallbladder will be having the sphincter of Oddi. Oddi will be open and then juices are coming. So this is called the cystic duct. This is hepatic side is a hepatic duct. This one opening will be in the pancreatic. So you have to write this pancreatic, all this opening. Okay, gallbladder secreting this one bile. So this small intestine is called the second brain. Once the sphincter of Oddi, when the food is coming to the stomach, to the small intestine, sphincter of Oddi will be opening, putting the biles into the small intestine, so that the other hormones are started to secrete it. So this is how you have to practice and learn and draw the pictures mainly in anatomy.